This is Tony with Rainbow Restoration, here to provide you another Rainbow Restoration Insight. One of the biggest questions homeowners ask me is, when should I actually file an insurance claim? The answer is not always simple, because every situation is unique, but here's the key. Filing a claim isn't always the first step. Before you ever pick up the phone to call your carrier, you want to take a step back and consider a few things. First, take a look at your deductible. Compare it to the actual estimated cost of the damages. Let's say the deductible is $5,000 and the damage to your home looks like it'll cost you around $5,200 to fix. Filing a claim means that the insurance company might only end up paying $200 in that scenario. And yet that claim still gets recorded in the national system called CLUE, the Comprehensive Loss Underwriting Exchange. Every claim, even small ones, get tracked for up to 7 years. Too many claims on your record, even though that they may be below deductible, can increase your risk and drive up your premiums. Second, think about the likelihood of coverage. Every policy is different. Some damages may be covered while others are not. For example, sudden and incidental water damage is almost always covered, but slow leaks over time can result in an exemption. Third, remember that you have time. You don't have to rush. Most policies give you 1 to 2 years to file, sometimes longer in the case of catastrophic events. What you do need to do immediately is mitigate. Stop the damage from getting worse and document what happened. Get a professional assessment done from a professional and reputable restoration company. That way you're protecting yourself while keeping the option to file later. So when should I file? File when the cost of the damage is clearly above your deductible, when you've confirmed that the loss is likely covered, and when you've taken the right steps to mitigate and document the situation. Filing without considering those factors can cost you a lot more than it helps you. If you're standing in a damaged home right now and you aren't sure whether to file, don't guess, call our team. We'll help you to assess the situation and give you the clarity that you need to make the best decision. And in our upcoming video, I'm going to walk you through how to know if your specific loss is actually covered under your policy.